Recap Pro now enables bidirectional synchronization of view states with Recap Viewer and Forma data management, completing the loop between desktop and cloud workflows. Previously, users could publish view states from Recap Pro for review, but any updates made in the Recap Viewer remained disconnected, limiting the ability to bring feedback back from the cloud to desktop. With this enhancement, teams can create and share view states from Recap Pro, review them in the cloud, and then sync newly created or refined view states back into the desktop environment. Annotations and scan group updates made in the Recap Viewer inside Forma Data Management can also be synchronized locally. This streamlined workflow keeps project data aligned across environments, improves collaboration between teams, and ensures that review feedback is directly integrated into production, increasing overall efficiency.